Belize versus the rainy season. No one warned me about. Hi, I'm Cedric from the Retire in Belize Hub. If you really want to know whether Belize is right for you, don't look at the photos of perfect sunny days. Look at what life feels like when the rainy season kicks in from about June to mid-November. That's when Belize reveals its real personality. Here's what I wish someone had pulled me aside and told me before I learned the damp, muddy, my golf cart stopped moving way. The rain doesn't tiptoe in. It doesn't sprinkle. Belize rains like the sky decided to empty a bucket on your head for fun. Your first rainy season teaches you quickly to plan errands early, keep a second pair of shoes, and never leave laundry on the line unless you enjoy re-washing your clothes. The upside, the whole country smells like fresh jungle when it's done. The dirt roads become, let's say, adventurous. Golf carts and cars plus mud equals a comedy show. You either laugh or cry, but either way, you're sliding. And those puddles, some are ankle deep, some are knee deep. You never know until you commit. This is where you learn which neighborhoods drain well and which ones should come with a snorkel. The mosquitoes form their own army. This is when the mosquitoes wake up and choose violence. You start carrying repellent like it's your passport. Citronella candles become your new decor theme. Island spots like San Pedro handle it better with breeze. Inland, you'll earn your stripes. The power flickers happen. It's not constant, but storms plus power lines equals occasional dark mode. Make sure you have a battery fan, a small rechargeable light, and patience is mandatory. But the rainy season is also when Belize feels most active. Rivers swell, the jungle turns neon green, farmers market overflow with fruit. The sunset after a storm looks unreal. And you learn to slow down, a skill most retirees come to Belize searching for anyway. If you want the real feel of Belize life, come during the rainy season. It'll teach you more about daily life than any brochure. If you want more information about Belize like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit me at retireinbelizehub.com. I'll see you in the next video.